Welcome back friends to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna show you the unboxing of my new lens for my Nikon 7100, and the lens is from Nikon and it's 50 mm fixed with 1.8 aperture. I bought this lens so that I can get more blur, like more bokeh effect at the back. So guys, let's start with unboxing the box. And the good thing is that I bought from Amazon and I ordered it last night and I got it delivered in today morning, so it was very quick. And the money I paid for this lens is 6,500 rupees only. Yeah. So guys, what is this? Okay, this is the receipt. And guys, this is the box, and it came with 2 years warranty, and it says this product is only in India. Okay, so you can just see here, it's a Nikon lens and it's 50 mm and aperture is fixed, it's 1.8. So now guys, let's open the box. So guys, one thing to let you know, whenever you buy any product, make sure it is seal packed, as it is, as you can see here. It also tells you, please check content if seal found broken. So this is the service warranty card, and then I got the user manual, and it came with this packing around, which is like 2 of them on 2 sides. And guys, this is the lens, so let's open it. So guys, that's the one. It's made in China and it comes with the serial number and everything. Okay, I will just make sure everything is good. Okay, so you can see it's all new and no problem. Like, we see many issues, sometimes the seller sells a duplicate product or the used one, but this is all good. Okay, so now I will mount my lens on my camera and let's take some pictures. How does it gives the quality? I need to check how is the quality. So you can see it has a little zoom. Well, this is as it is a prime lens, it will not have zoom. This is the focusing, it's manual focused. So let's put this lens on my camera now. So this camera is D7100. It has the motor inbuilt for autofocusing if my lens supports autofocus. So let's start with it. So I'm gonna take out this first, and I'm gonna remove this cover from the lens. So guys, for those who are doing it for the first time, like putting the lens for the first time, I will just give you a good tip. You will see one white dot on the lens, and the same white dot you will see on the camera body. So you have to make sure these 2 white dots matches each other, and then you just rotate. That's it. And now it's fixed. Look, the camera is so big and the lens is very small. So I will try to take pictures, and the pictures which I will take now, I will add it after the video so you can have a look how the lens works, and I'm gonna put the description of this lens at the in the video, and if you have any questions or queries you can ask me. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.